Each city has a parking division comprised of a team of parking officers to enforce the city's ordinances regarding non-moving parking violations. The goal isn't to ticket people. It's to keep our streets safe and make the neighborhoods welcoming, attractive, and walkable. All parking infractions are civil, not criminal. Most cities, including Las Vegas, offer metered parking in the downtown areas. These meters are checked frequently. If a motorist does not pay, the vehicle could be towed. Retrieving a towed vehicle can be expensive. Nevada law requires drivers to park within 18 inches of the curb. Although a ticket is uncommon for this, drivers who park too far from a curb risk getting a ticket that carries a civil fine of $35 or more. The car may also get towed, which carries hefty fines as well. Nevada law employs a common-sense rule that prohibits drivers from stopping or parking their cars on a highway. If a car breaks down, the driver should move the vehicle to a parking area or shoulder if possible. The disabled car should leave an unobstructed width of the highway, so other vehicles on the road can pass by safely. The disabled car should be visible to other drivers at least 200 feet away in either direction. A percent of all crashes involve vehicles parked along the roadway. What about parking in a cul-de-sac? Cul-de-sacs come in two versions, the round-end type, the hammerhead flat-end type. The expression cul-de-sac comes from French, where it originally meant bottom of a sack. Parking is generally allowed in round-end type. Parking is always restricted in the hammerhead type. This is to enable emergency and service vehicles access to the properties located at the end of the cul-de-sac. Nevada parking law. General laws for prohibited parking in the entire state. On a sidewalk. In front of a public or private driveway. Within an intersection or in a bike lane. Within 15 of a fire hydrant. On a crosswalk or within 20 feet of a crosswalk. Within 30 feet of a traffic control signal located at the side of a highway. Within 50 feet of the nearest rail of a railroad. Within 20 feet of a fire station driveway entrance. Alongside or opposite a work zone. Upon a bridge, elevated highway, or in a tunnel. Local rules and HOA restrictions. Cities and counties may have their own additional parking rules. For example, Las Vegas curb colors: red, no stopping or parking; yellow, loading zone; white, short-term parking; gray, restrictions removed. Homeowners associations, HOAs, may also enforce parking rules, such as assigned spots, no oversized vehicles, guest parking limits. They can tow vehicles that violate these policies, especially in fire lanes or emergency access zones. Time limits on public streets. State law generally limits parking on public streets to 72 hours to prevent vehicle storage. Some cities may have stricter rules. For example, Sparks limits street parking to 48 hours. Parking regulations may sometimes feel inconvenient, especially when you're in a rush or can't find a close spot. However, these rules are designed to protect everyone on the road and ensure smooth traffic flow. Whether it's avoiding a fire hydrant, staying clear of intersections, or respecting time limits on public streets, these regulations help emergency vehicles access where they're needed, reduce crashes, and keep pedestrians safe. Understanding and following parking laws isn't just about avoiding a ticket. It's about contributing to a safer, more organized community.